Welcome back, kings and queens. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I am working on making Christmas ornaments. I know I want ornaments with my name on it, and I will probably do some with my family's name. In order to do that, I have chosen my font, which is Bernard MT Condensed. I know I want to take the letter spacing down to make sure that all of my letters touch. And so I am just clicking them together, and then I am going to choose a circle shape to add on. So I want this to be a nice size, maybe 1.75. If I can't get it exactly, I'll go up here, 1.75, and that'll give me what I need. I think a 1.5 might be even better for me. Yeah, 0.5. Now I'm going to put this here. I'm going to highlight everything together, and I'm going to weld. Now all these pieces are together. And the next thing I'm going to do is pick another circle shape. I am going to drop it over it. I am going to try to align it the best I can. And now I'm going to slice. If you try to do this out of order, it's just going to weld everything together, and you won't have this. So now I have my nameplate that will hang on the Christmas tree as an ornament. I'm going to turn it because that's how it will actually hang on my tree. I think I'm going to do mine in gold. With gold cardstock. So I'm going to do a couple more of these just for my family, and I'll be back. Now I know when I go to print these, I want to duplicate this out because I want the cardstock to be nice and thick. So I'm going to make sure I have at least 2 for each name. So I am in the process of cutting ornaments. I am actually upcycling because I was going to use my poster board. I had a gold color that I was planning to use, and as I was moving some things around, I came across this beautiful blue sparkly cover that when I was redoing notebook covers over the summer, I had this saved and set aside. So I was like, oh, this is perfect. So I think it's going to be a really cute set of ornaments. So I'm running this one this way, and then when I go to do the next one, I'm going to put it face down so that I can put them back to back, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now that it's on the white side, you can actually see the cuts. It cut the same way as it did on the blue. I just flipped it over so that it could cut. So this is all the names out on regular cardstock. This is all the names on the sparkly side. So this is everything laid out. I'm not really sure why the colors are picking up that way, but they are. Okay, so I'm here with my hands like covered in glue. So you guys missed my hands covered in glue, but this is the front and the back of the ornament. Upside down. Front of the ornament, back of the ornament. This is using glitter cardstock that used to be a notebook cover. And so you can hear it, the Mod Podge, and I want to go back in and try to seal the bottom because there is a little separation on a few of them. But the Mod Podge has dried, and I use the gloss Mod Podge that you can find at the Dollar Tree. You can use the matte if you want. But there they are. So I'm gonna put some ribbon on them and see what they look like. So I am cutting my ribbon. I have my last piece to cut, about 4 strips of ribbon that are about 10 inches long. And this is just white ribbon that I've had. I believe it came from Dollar Tree. It may have come from Walmart. But I've had this for a while, so I don't really remember where it came from. Another alternative, and it'll be up to you, would be cork. Now this would be cute for a masculine look. I'm not going to use it for this purpose. If I did use this, I would sew the end of it together, or I would probably run it through with some hot glue and glue the ends together like that. But that's an alternative for a masculine look. So I'm just rubbing my ribbon through, and I notice when I sit this down, it's picking up colors. Oh, I see, my wall's red, so it's picking up some red from my wall, but it's blue. So I'm just looping it through, making it even, and I'm just going to tie a knot on the end. Now, however you want to do this is up to you, but I'm not sure if I want it to be upside down or not, and I'll show you what I'm referring to in a minute. You really just need a big enough loop that it's going to be able to sit on your tree. You don't have to have anything super long unless that's what you want. Again, personal preference. So I'm trying to get it so I can pull it back and have a decent knot on it. So that would be what it would look like. You can use thinner ribbon if you want to, but that would be what it would look like and how it would hang. But what I was referring to is to be able to put the knot this way and just hang it straight up and down that way. But again, up to you. So I'm going to do the rest of these and come back. Okay, so there you have it. This is what they will look like. And they will hang on the tree, so you'll see them. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.